everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a Likkle Everything Jamaican. I'm Michelle, and with me is my husband Marcel, and our two girls are here today. How we get here, where we're going, let me tell you. So we are actually heading to Mr. Granville's home in Madison. No, it's not Madison.
Malton.
No, it's not Malton.
No way.
We'll soon tell you where it is. I can't remember the name.
Madison.
It's Madison? Okay, so Mr. Granville in Madison. So usually we normally take the route that is in Christiana to his house, but this morning we don't know, and we don't see nobody to ask. So we attempted to visit Mr. Granville this morning, but when we started the journey, we came upon some road repairs. So a part of the road has collapsed and they were erected. Well, they were carrying out repair works, so we couldn't pass on at all. The road has been blocked off. So they advised us that this is where we are to come. So we're to come back to Major Blocks, come past the gas station, Major Blocks.
Morning, Papa.
Morning, sir.
You know where we are going? I'm going to tell you. We are going to Madison. Yes, sir, Jive?
Yes, man.
Straight road. Alright, thanks.
Alright.
Yeah.
So yes guys, so we come we're actually heading to Madison now, but we drive Christiana Shudley, turn to our right on the gas station, past Major Blocks, and you know the rest. We're here. Highburn, this side? Okay.
So
this is all together new route for us. We've never passed this area before, but we never detour or have taken this route before. So trying to find Mr. Granville. I'm sure that's not the name. That's probably the name of a place. It's a straight road we turn. Not a straight road.
I say corner.
Alright, so Mr. Granville has been calling us a few days now. We just did not get to go because we were so busy and we were engaged, you know, doing some live streaming and so on, so we didn't get to visit. So we promised him faithfully that we would come today. So we attempted this morning, but we had some other things lined up. We had to take care of them, so we couldn't take this road. So now it's actually 2:55, and we are heading to see him. It sounded a bit like he was in distress this morning, you know, so we just have to go to him. So enjoy the journey. Please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.
You're welcome. You have the water on it. Get her in. Yeah, give me some.
It's not all that. Thank you. She says it's not all that.
Thanks. Right turn we go, man.
Okay.
I've never seen none of this.
Someone oh, it's a Madison to Christian.
Oh.
Okay. On the right road.
Around here, some Granville always comes in there on a square.
I'm not sure. Probably. Or maybe just to
out there, so we always turn.
Oh,
I thought they closed them out there.
it's not that bad.
A long time we're driving. Everybody will drive to Christian and Fit. Go that way, the whole way I come from. So we turn, and we tongue tile this. Alright, we reach.
Thank God.
Let me see. I look out for it. Alright. We got Aya. Now come on and see.
Well, wait, mother.
Alright.
Okay, guys, so we are here. As you can see, Marcel have the load carrying up the hill.
Yeah.
Wow. So we decided to stop and get him some water this morning because when we spoke to him a few days ago, he did not have any water. So we're bringing that to him. And here, hopefully he can tell us, what has been happening to him, because him sound like him in a distress. Wow.
Aya! You not there, Anna?
I wonder where they know. They're not here. Alright,
Aya!
I forgot to call him. Maybe I'm gonna look water. You having fun? Mr. Granville not here, guys. Call him and see.
Were you talking to him this morning?
Yeah.
With my phone?
No. Search him up.
Let's see if he has.
I think it's Granville. Hold on.
Where your phone there?
Alright, so guys, we came to visit Mr. Granville. He's not here. We're calling his phone and we're not getting through, so we don't know where he is. So we're here. We're just going to hang on a couple of minutes more and pray that he will show up, or we try to call again. It could be a case that his battery dies or something, not sure.
No, I ain't gonna bury it.
Maybe he went to get it charged. Don't follow Marcel. But we were really hoping to see him, because when we spoke this morning, he was saying that there was some food, didn't have any food and no water. So we bring the water, and we brought him groceries from a donor by the name of Miss Bailey. And so we just want to say thanks to Miss Bailey right on time, because when we spoke to Mr. Granville, he was saying, boy, not a bite from morning. So I don't know if it's a case that he went to look food, or he went to look water, or he went to charge the phone. We just don't know.
No, we'll walk around the road, go look. Can't leave them listen?
You think we can leave now?
No, I think you dog them thief.
I don't know. I don't see no dog.
Yeah, we'll go in there. You can't take care of and come back.
Yeah. So I guess You say we are going, but if you go on the road, where are you going? We don't even
Just
know.
go ask us some place.
But we just passed around there.
No, we never know.
But him can't go that way, block. The road not, the road is not good, it's blocked off. So we'll wait a few more minutes and see what happens. He has another farm up the road, up somewhere up there, but I don't know where. Alright guys, so we wait. Alright guys, so we just came back. We all went to walk around the road to ask about Mr. Granville. Some person said they saw him and a lady walking, and then somebody said him gone in a van. However, we can't get him phone, so unfortunately we'll have to just take back the things and work it out another time. So we're a bit disappointed that we didn't get to see him, because we really wanted him to have the things, but next time. So until next time.
So maybe we can come back tomorrow.
Yeah.
When you get him on the phone, car.
Yeah.
We don't know where he's gone. Suppose he's gone to New York. He can't go to New York, you know?
Alright guys.
He is.
Yeah. Alright guys, so until next time, thank you so much for making it a Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye.
Bye-bye guys. Bye. So that's Isabel and Tremel. They're on our back ahead as usual.
This is me.
And me, they're behind the camera. They're close now, seeing?
Yeah. Alright,
respect
everyone.
my people. Alright.
Mr. Boy, look like Kinky Pay
Hey boy, I pay trouble, you come around and figure. I'm going to make you beat you. Me I carry one big bit, man, inside. One big piece of thick and give you for whack you.
Yeah, in an old-time community spirit.
She start running down. And she can't hardly run her feet.
I'm flying.
At first, accidentally holds the hole.
Oh, that was mercy.
How many time?
3:31.
I just want the time for me.
I did 2.
It's not that.
Huh?
When we are come, I mean, Lord Jesus.
I have to take him up.
Carry him back on. Gotcha.
I Jaja in a bush ago.
Huh?
I Jaja in a bush ago.
Lord Jesus. Somebody.
Mr. Granville, we go around your house and lift where I left you.
Little well, me run a square there, sir.
Yeah.
And one lady say, could he still find with the writing on it.
Yeah.
So I drive, water shall come.
Yes.
And then drive me go around there, so when they tell me I drive it, they say, one lady up the road there where pick up the wheel, the mother come, she must can't walk, they a girl out walk. They say, you know, go further down there, so I come back. So I think I try to get you around here.
Oh.
Alright, come, we're glad to see you. Hi, how you
See me,
doing?
man. Me and Jill them all the well, you know. But they say, the lady say, I saw them gone round Staffy, but them coming back this way for one lady up the Christian road there. Maybe a bikini or who. And you now go further down there.
Come up, yeah.
Jesus God, me looking outside of me tell me come in here.
Oh, yeah, look out for me and you know, there your yard, man. Where you come from?
Me just run go nice square, you know. But me I try to call
Come
you.
in with this thing.
Since you pass, you see? We are trying to call you, but then before now,
Yeah,
That's
we
straight
have called you,
voicemail we
but
are get.
yeah, before now work out.
so when you say you come from Mr. Granville,
Just from experience, man.
so what were you doing?
Huh?
What were you doing around there?
And the water truck people then come to up the 2 big barrels. So I invited to meet them and then return back with them and pull up and meet her and then run as a till me hear from them. So I go back to the lady saying the vehicle with the writing on it.
I must see gas van, she say.
Huh?
Gas van, she say.
I feel, sir.
And I carry have van.
No, when they said van, he didn't say van.
Oh, you are say van?
And me I say van, sir, but he didn't say van. The vehicle.
Vehicle.
Vehicle, so to speak. Yeah.
Let's go, we are going back.
Yeah.
Got them on your side.
Yeah,
Today, yeah.
But you must look out, you know, man. Yeah, look out, you know, man. Yeah, look out, you know, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, look out.
Yeah, look in and look out.
Huh?
Looking in, looking out.
I do the I can't see, but you can't.
So when you say you go around a square?
Yeah, the water truck can go around there. Family was going on there until let me case come back. Yeah, but
So you get something to eat?
huh?
You got something to eat?
No, I didn't got anything to eat.
So from morning you don't eat, Mr. Granville?
Huh?
You don't eat from morning?
We couldn't, I couldn't, nothing me face me no water, no. I buy me take wash me face.
But Mr. Granville, you know, say water truck come, so how you left?
No, when the water truck come, that time me wash me face already with the aerator, and come down on the road. Up on the road, me meet the water truck.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And then if me coming back with them, I want this.
And them turn back with you?
I did, no, I want this, me to go open the door and let them put up with something. And she gone, you know, because I was coming this way.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, so guys, we find Mr. Granville. Mr. Granville, you have we walking up and down in your community, I look for you. No, not that way. Straight ahead.
Let me see something. Okay.
That's at the corner, Mr. Granville.
Yes, sister.
Move to your left. To your left. Yeah.
Okay. Someone know which part me there?
You don't know it. Come here. You want to walk in the middle road? Come over here.
I don't know which part me there. I don't know which part me there yet.
Yeah, go home.
Huh?
Go home, I go up the hill.
Yes, but I don't know which part me there. It's yeah, go up the hill now.
Yes, man.
Oh,
Steep, so.
okay.
You reap all you can, Mr. Granville.
Sister?
Come on, tomorrow you figure out this apart road there. You come with me. You figure out.
Why? You have the load, so you can't manage that right
The
now.
daughter is here with you?
Before are we there?
Lord Jesus, you know tell me here one to little sweet rice. But me say no man, I know Sister Michelle and Brother Badul one in here. Me just want little sweet rice.
Yes, man.
But then oh God, and me greet them happy greetings. Greetings, belated greetings.
Them they way down the road.
Like them belated greetings. Which I greet them from your device. But like them belated.
Yes.
Yeah. Belated nice same day.
Alright. You step them here.
Oh wow.
Step up on your step. Step up on it. Just step up. Just turn crossway. Go on now.
Okay. Right, I can hold the wall. Okay, thanks very much.
Yeah, man, you want very much.
Careful.
Yeah, run too.
You can run to that.
Yeah.
Put me on the street, you know.
Yeah.
You look like any horse.
Yeah. Up you go. Well, they are picture three holes here to clean them.
Oh gosh.
Asleep.
Yeah, that's it too much. They have up there too. I dry.
They're full water. So who's sending water for you?
The lady from overseas.
Oh.
But I see a man come with water all the time. But every time he come, he throw it in a dirty vessel.
Oh.
And she called me yesterday and tell me, water must come, now look out. I must get somebody wash out them. And before they me get out and to score out the two of them. One help is score them out without water. You know, use water, you know, and I put on my head and lie down to them down flat and go in there and I use brush and brush and some like.
But Mr. Granville not clean out in Mr. John like you see man.
Me say if you see how me do it, me say one then bad than one.
Yeah.
Me say when you put one in there, so it come in like a grabble, a Mario, you hand a buck up pan.
And the chlorine.
Right. Yes, because every time they match with water and I dirty something.
But you know, so they not going to wash out the door.
No, me know, so they not
So you have to get it clean when they come.
Right. So the lady say must get somebody clean him. Me say but wait. Then me no can clean him. And I go in and hit you say I use the brush. But 3 different things me use.
We have some for washing and can come wash them for you.
Of course.
How think them come?
Then me no can come to the.
You want to come today?
Huh?
You come today?
Anytime. Anytime. Yeah,
Alright.
Alright,
Then-
come over this side, Mr. Granville.
So you say you did that road at sport.
Huh?
Sport in that sport.
No, what me say, since Mr. Michelle say in the evening, Mr. Me walk down next year. One lady come look for me. You see? Because she not called me from last week, we tell me say she had come, but me tell her say, me no want she to say, me no want she to come. So she come this morning now, and when she come, she tell me say she dark, she still come. But I don't show the round to drive. And come, and me know the way. Somebody direct him.
Oh, so you have lady, I can check your man.
No, I know really.
You're not really lady.
It's a lady, but let me tell you, if you call me granny, me auntie granny, grandmother. You understand? You call me, but she.
So your family?
Yes, you come down here from me small.
Oh.
You see, so you don't remember the place.
Okay, okay.
But our mother would remember good. But she could remember the place and she said she can't look for me. And I'm glad he come and he finish part me. You understand?
Yeah. Alright.
Alright, so we carry one big bag down and someone sitting feel.
Yeah.
I'm so happy to
Tell you no.
I'm so happy. I'm so happy. But me I tell you, say, when I tell me then I hope you have over 10 days.
Why? What
They
happened?
even open the door now. Huh?
Why?
We don't open the door because when you take a stop from me, they tell me some bad word and I say, no man, then.
Alright.
And
We're not talking about them.
then you have to tell the policeman down there, the police, and whole heap of people come, as some church people, come and knock and call me. And you can't call, they send all them some up on the hill, I go up on the ground, go look it me up there until they don't see me. 10 days after, before me, that time me have this soap in here, me have the old dirty water we can drink.
Alright, Mr. Granville.
Yeah.
And that's how me survive.
Yeah.
When they see me, they say, Tavi, when you come back, that I nobody knows me then. When you come back, I'm not tell them, say me never there.
Mr. Granville.
I'm not tell liar. They're writing here, hear everybody who come.
Mr. Granville.
Yes, Mr.
Tap and tap over this one.
Yes, me don't know. Me only want to get it straight.
Yes, because you see them here? Hold your hand. Them here are something to make tea.
Okay.
So you just pull one packet and put in the tea, in the hot water.
Yes, sir.
Small next one here.
Oh.
Them there to make tea, so some tea bag business. But no, I guess no bag, no bag, I just
Okay.
You just pull it and pour it out, pour the contents in a cup.
The whole of this one time?
Yeah.
Okay.
This one turmeric and ginger, that one here. The smaller one.
Yeah.
And the big one, honey and ginger.
Okay.
So the smaller one, honey.
Yeah, this
And
one.
the other one, no, that's turmeric.
Turmeric. Yeah.
So you hold them in. You must know if you put them.
Okay, yes, sir.
Alright. So you have, I think spread. That's what I think I put it on bread.
It's jam.
I think, put them where you want them if you go.
On the table, huh?
You will find them, not sure?
Yeah, sir. Nothing can.
Just put them right where we always leave the stuff.
Yes,
You
sir.
see over there, so I put it on your window.
Yeah, yeah.
See that pour it on your window.
Yes, sir. Very bad.
Mr. Granville,
Yes, sir.
these items were sent for you by a lady. Her name is Miss Bailey.
Miss Bailey.
Yes.
Okay.
So she sent these things for you.
Yes, ma'am.
This is oats.
Yes, sir.
Oats.
Yes, sir.
Where you want it? On the table,
Right
see me?
here,
Just take them
Alright,
and
you
put
just have
them.
to know what you have.
Yes.
Oats. These are peas
Okay.
on the table.
Yes, sir.
These are sugar.
White sugar.
No, it's brown sugar.
Oh, it's fine.
Yeah, it's fine. It is fine.
Yeah.
These are toothpaste. Put in your pocket.
Yeah.
These are rice.
Yeah. Right.
These are flour.
Okay. Yes.
You know what paper was inside of the plastic bag.
Right. Yeah.
These are coffee.
Oh gosh. How long you want something like this?
Somewhere I eat something in here. So you understand what I'm saying? Somewhere I little tea, pot tea.
Okay, yes,
Just
sir.
leave this back in my bag. So
Yes,
you know.
yes, sir. Jesus.
So you have a lot of them.
The coffee.
Yeah.
Yes.
This is oil.
Cooking oil.
Yes, sir. Frying oil. Frying oil.
Jesus. Huh?
Yeah. I have milk. Canned milk.
Yeah.
Tin milk.
Yeah.
3 tin.
Eating nothing there.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So I'm going to put them on the table, see me?
Yes, sir.
You try them the power and here.
Yes, sir.
I'll move your cup then. And you have corned beef. Yeah, corned beef too. And this fruit cocktail. These are fruit something.
Cocktail. How many
A
of them?
fruit, so you can just put
How
it
are
and
you?
eat it.
Eat it?
Yeah man, a fruit in it, you know.
You have to find nothing.
No man, we have a fruit. I never say vegetable in my yard.
Okay. Food. Food
Yes.
no one hot dog.
Yeah.
Not you can tell it. Food no one hot dog.
So I have more rice, small package alright.
Yes, sir.
3 of them here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put it on the big box.
Yes, sir.
Alright. And these are Milo. That I just sniff up it.
M-I-L-O.
Yeah man, Milo.
Other one there?
Milo.
You know, a family school, something I'm going to teach you.
And you have tin mackerel.
So long.
You put the tin mackerel inside of the milk.
Yes, sir. And now me I go walk some again.
And then the last thing where then I bag a sardine. Sardine the right, yes.
Yeah.
Between the side of the coffee and the mackerel. Do you feel it?
Yes, sir.
So that's a Milo.
It's a Milo and it's a coffee.
Fruit coffee. No,
And the coffee over there, it's a fruit.
Yeah.
Me nah, see, you know.
So when you pull that, you can just eat it, you know.
Okay.
If you want to throw it in a small container, you know.
Yes.
Throw it in a one basin and you can eat it.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Put it on the table.
Thank you very much. Abundance.
So say thanks to Miss Bailey who sent the things for you.
Yes, sir. Now put this on the window. Right, you can erase it. So.
Yeah, man, erase.
So we can say thanks to this.
You want the bag?
Huh?
You want to keep the bag?
Yes, sir.
Fully.
Okay.
So if you want to name you can do it.
Yes, sir. So we can go ahead, Sister.
Yes, man, go ahead.
Sister Bailey, I thank you for what you donate for me. This is Brother Granville talking. Thank you for what you donate for me. And God richly bless you and your family. From the youngest one in my family to the eldest one. God bless you all. I love you now. And thanks for what you know have donate for me, Sister Michelle and Brother Basil. Thank you very much. Blessings on everyone.
Yes, man, you are very welcome, Mr. Granville. We had to make 2 trips here today, but you know, it's worth it.
Yes.
All right, so thank you also to Miss Bailey. Miss Bailey, thank you very much. We are very appreciative of the gesture of sending items from Mr. Granville. And to everyone else, thank you so much for making it a little everything Jamaican. Blessed love. Stay safe. And bye-bye again.
Yes, Lord God. We have to go now. Mr. Granville, we have to go yard now.
Late.
Yes.
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 May I ask you one question?